atrial fibrillation is the most common arrhythmia or irregular heartbeat in the world. And it afflicts up to probably worldwide well over 10 million people. Its incidence increases with age. So the biggest risk factor to go into atrial fibrillation is getting older. If you live long enough, and it's been shown if you live to 90, for instance, you have about a 1 in 4 chance of having atrial fibrillation. If you have a patient who is still symptomatic and has failed medical therapy, including antiarrhythmic drugs, then you have two big interventional options that have been developed really over the last 10 to 20 years. The most commonly done after that would be catheter ablation. It's a more recent development, but that's where they'll place through the vein in your groin and under X-ray guidance put little catheters inside your atrium and try to, by passing radiofrequency energy or basically, cauterizing the atrium with very high frequency electricity, try to get rid of your atrial fibrillation. Probably for people, the worst side effect is it increases your chance of having a stroke by almost 5-fold. And in people over 80, it becomes one of the most common causes of stroke.